Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Prandelisha Prabowo and my number student is 65. I'm from Pasca. Today, I want to tell you about my analysis about some poem by Longstone Hikers and the title is Dreams. And before it, let me read the poem. Dreams. Hold fast to dreams, for if dreams die, life is a broken winged bird that cannot fly. Hold fast to dreams, for when dreams go, life is a burnt cloud, frozen with snow. And today I want to tell you about my analysis from each element in this poem. And the first is them. Then in this poem is about holding on your dreams, and the them is similar. Don't let go your dreams. Uh, and all people, all of human in the world must have a dream for a better life in the future. And the second is addiction. In this part, I have a five addiction. I found a addiction. And the first is temptation. Temptation, dreams, mean a series of events or images that happen in your mind when you are sleeping. When we are sleeping, we have a dreams, but when we wake up, we have a dreams to uh, to get a better life with this dream. And the second is connotation. Connotation, word means whole. That so that broken in the line that broken means bird, and it means losing hope. Losing hope, it means like you don't have you don't have some or dreams in your life. So you are don't have a bird, don't have a better life in the future. And number three is metaphor. Metaphor. We can find metaphor in this poem that life is a broken reed in the bird. In the third line of a first stanza, life is a being compared with a bird, broken wings bird. And second is life is a burnt field in the third lines of the second stanza. Life is compared with an empty field with a nothing growing. And the third and the fourth, number four is personification. This form applies some personification which is intended to give human quality to a thing or an abstraction. And the personification in this point is if a dreams die. Die is it means like the persons die or and second is life is a broken wings bird that cannot fly. Cannot fly is like bird or thing. And when dreams go, person go, and this like a person, and the last is person with snow. And number five is hyperbole. Hyperbole is a generation that or overstatement to describe occurring things. In in this one, that word use the word frozen in the sentence "frozen with snow" to describe streams when they and the next element is rhyme. Rhyme, the rhyme schemes of this poem is A, B, C, D, A, B, C, B, and the second stanza is A, D, C, D. That why? Uh, the the poem is hold fast to dreams. In the first line is A. For a dreams die. The second line is B. Life is a broken wings bird. The third third line is C, that cannot fly. The fourth line is B. Why the second line and fourth fourth line is same B, because the sounds is the same. Die and fly the same sound. And the second stanza is hold fast to dream. This is a A. For when dreams go, this is a D. Wild life is a wild. This is a C. Frozen with snow. This is a D. And the second and fourth line, this is the same D, because the sounds for the end of the word in the rhyme go and snow. This is a similar sounds. And type of rhyme of poem is the end rhyme, because it's rhyme placed at the end of the sentence. Okay, the next is meaning. Meaning in the poem personification, personifications suggesting that can die if they are living things. Holds fast implies that dreams are thinkable and they can be physically held onto. So, this is also a metaphor. Letting dreams die or go means losing out on the possibility that one could have attained by holding on those dreams. And the metaphor in the second stanza, life is a perfect or person with name, that really conveys that the lost potential of the life without dreams. To be born means that nothing can grow, and if this applies to one's life, and it means that all one's potential is lost. Pursuing our dreams then is what making us grow and develop. And in the absence of dreams, this growth becomes impossible. And I have hyperbole. In the poem that Ford use the word frozen in the sentence frozen with snow to describe dreams when they go. And the next is function. Function of the pen. The poem show that the writer thinks that life without dreams is life of past. The loss of dreams compared that the burn fight. Essentially, if people don't have a dreams, nothing can happen. Like nothing can grow in their life. And some people or human don't have a dreams is nothing. And the reason behind the usage. This poem applies metaphor since it compares two things directly without the words like and as. Life is a broken wings bird. Life is compared with a broken wings bird. Life is a burned field, and life is compared with an empty field with nothing growth. To tell the people should uh, should always remember that life without dreams is will be nothing. So, thank you for your attention. I hope you enjoy with my video. Thank you and see you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.